Athanasian Creed, Episode 21. Nam sicut anima rationalis et caro unus est homo, ita Deus et homo unus est Christus, qui passus est pro salute nostra, descendit ad inferos, tertia die resurrexit a mortuis. The Creed continues, explaining Christ's two natures. For, just as a rational soul and flesh constitutes one human being, or we might say, for in the same way that a rational or reasonable soul and flesh is one person, one human person, thus also, so sicut, ita, these are correlative adverbs, thus also, God and man constitute the one Christ, or God and man is the one Christ. Or we might say, the one Christ is both God and man. It's actually considerably easier to express these ideas in Latin than to translate them into English. Anima rationalis, caro unus homo, these are all nominatives. Anima rationalis is feminine, singular, nominative, as is caro, but unus and homo are masculine, singular, and nominative. Similarly, Deus, homo, unus, and Christus, these are all masculine, singular, nominative. He also suffered, who, meaning Christ, relative pronoun, masculine, singular, nominative, suffered pro salute nostra, on behalf of or for our salvation. Salute nostra is feminine, singular, and ablative. The third declension noun salus, salutis, is feminine, it's an abstraction. And the preposition pro takes always and only, the ablative. He also suffered for our salvation. He descended, descendit, ad inferos, to the lowest places, into hell. Inferos is masculine plural, accusative, and this language is taken directly from the Apostles' Creed. On the third day, tertia die, feminine singular, ablative of point of time, on the third day he rose again, resurrexit a mortuis, from the dead. Descendit is a third singular, perfect indicative active, from the third conjugation verb descendo, descendere, while resurrexit, third singular perfect indicative active, from the third conjugation verb resurgo, resurgere, like so. A mortuis, masculine plural, ablative of separation. And I have already explained ad inferos.